Looking for a Namecheap coupon code so you can save money on your Namecheap domain name and web hosting purchase? Then this Namecheap discount offer is for you. In this Namecheap promo code video, I'll be showing you how to save money on domain names, web hosting, and more. To take advantage of the Namecheap coupon code discount, just click the link in the description below to be taken to Namecheap so you can get the latest Namecheap promo codes. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Namecheap at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Namecheap discount. Once you click the link, you'll be on the Namecheap Promos Deals page. This page is updated monthly with all the latest Namecheap offers, so you're always getting the best Namecheap deal. You can browse Namecheap discounts by category. Whether you want to browse all the offers, domains, hosting, security, or apps, there's a Namecheap deal waiting for you. When you find the perfect deal, just click on it. Namecheap will either provide you with a promo code to enter at checkout or automatically apply the Namecheap discount for you. That's all there is to it. That is how to get the best Namecheap discounts available. If you have any questions, get in touch in the comments as I'm here to help you with anything you need. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Namecheap hosting tutorial videos.